Solana price today is $83.89, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.2 billion. Solana is down to 38% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 9, with a live market cap of $26 billion. It has a circulating supply of 318 million SOL coins. According to our current Solana price prediction, the value of Solana will rise by 18.61% and reach $99.14 by March 13, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. Solana recorded 40% green days with 9.83% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Solana forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Solana. Based on today's classical pivot point P1, with the value of $82.86, Solana has support levels of $79.35, $76.62, and the strongest at $73.12. Similarly, Solana resistance levels are at $85.59, $89.09, and $91.82. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Solana price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Solana's price history. In the last month, the SOL USD pair is down -26.68%. The one-year performance of SOL USD is 507.16%. The plunging Solana price has been one of the biggest concerns by the investors. The Solana coin dropped over 10% in the past 7 days. Though the crashing crypto market is responsible for the plunge in a big way, many other factors could be causing the drop to accelerate faster. The tough competition from Breakout has been a highlight as one of the reasons impacting the Solana plunging price. The fact that Solana is no longer the fastest blockchain after being overtaken by the Breakout BRC20 blockchain could be making it less attractive. That's why Breakout is bullish when Solana is plunging fast. Another project that has been tipped for the long-term future is Solana. Similar to Cardano, SOL is down over the last week. A mere 4 months ago, Solana hit its peak of $260. Since then, it has fallen by 68%. At the time of writing, SOL is valued at $83. Its weekly high was around $105, and it seems a tug-of-war is underway between the bears and the bulls. In a volatile market, SOL has stood out. For investors, of course, it is imperative to remain bullish and think of the bigger picture. Solana has been tipped by some to compete with Ethereum, especially with regards to NFTs, where currently it has much lower fees and often faster speeds than the ETH network. Solana has an inherent correlative flow between the count of daily active wallets and new token accounts, hold token balances created per day. The difference between the two is that, while one wallet can create multiple token accounts, one token account can only be associated with a single wallet. There were 511,060 active wallets on Solana, and the number of additional associated token accounts created on the day was 291,100. By the start of February, the daily active wallets count had grown to 732,690, establishing a steadily falling trajectory since then. For the tally of new token accounts per day, figures in January dipped on the 22nd but grew almost threefold in a week to a monthly high on the 29th, from 223,750 to 606,830. Moving into February 2022's highest count was set on the 9th, 674,880, and the least additional token accounts on any day were recorded on the 22nd, 361,900. Fabled for its cheaper fees, Solana has been touted to become a future consumer-scale blockchain. Through its proof-of-history consensus, the blockchain boosts the performance of its proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This translates into the element's low fees and scalability that suggest possible widespread adoption in the future. So, exactly how much does it cost to complete transactions on Solana? The total fees paid for all non-vote transactions sits at 58 million SOL, translating into an average of 0.5052 SOL per user.
Golden feels heavy on your chest.